Aidva Maharashtra State General Secretary Pal Chatwakar along with us. We have an interview with her. Namaste. We are from Maharashtra.
Yeah.
In Nasik district and also Palghar and some other areas. The peasants' long march previously 2-3 years back also happened.
Yeah.
If any results or outcome 3 years back due to the long march, and what is necessary to do latest long march?
Okay. See, we all, this is our team from Palghar district, all are tribal women. We all walked in the last long march also, 8 years back.
ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు మనతో ఆరుగురు ఉన్నారు. ఈ ఆరుగురు కూడా పాల్గార్ లాంగ్ మార్చ్లో పాల్గొన్న ఆదివాసీ మహిళలు, ఆదివాసీ రైతులు ఈ మన ఇంటర్వ్యూ బృందంలో కూడా ఉన్నారు. వారిని మీకు పరిచయం చేస్తాను. వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ आपका नाम क्या है जी?
लहानी दौड़ा,
आपका नाम?
निकिता काकरा,
आपका नाम?
गिरजा कानल,
आपका नाम?
मेरी रावते,
आपका नाम?
सविता डावरे,
आपका
नैना गिम्बल.
శుక్రియా సబ్కు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లాంగ్ మార్చ్లో పాల్గొన్న ఆదివాసీ మహిళలు మీకు పరిచయం చేస్తా. ఇప్పుడు ఆ పోరాటం గురించి ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ.
Yeah, so like 8 years back, there was a long march from Nasik to Mumbai. It was quite an iconic. Many demands were agreed to on papers. Basically, it was for implementation of Forest Rights Act. But the government had no willpower to implement it because they wanted this tribal land, this forest land, to give to corporates, especially their good friends Ambani and Adani. So they are not in favor of giving it in their name. So they are cultivating it. All these tribals, for generations they are cultivating, but the land is not in their name. So that is the basic demand and government doesn't want to fulfill that. So again and again we have to walk up to the Mantralaya. But this time Palghar long march, the Palghar collector, district collector, took a quite positive stand and she agreed to many of the demands at district level. So whichever land pattas these Adivasis, they are cultivating in the name of husband and wife both. That is advanced demand also. It should be in the name of wives also. So let us see what they do. So after that, Nasik long march also started. Now today we have just got the news that they have halted the long march and government has called the delegation for discussion. Let us see what happens. Then again we are ready to walk. What else you can do? You have people strength. You don't have money power.
We have heritage of that Varli Adivasi
Yes, Varli.
revolt
Right, right.
organized by the great warrior Godavari Parlekar.
Right.
Is impacting this long march?
Yes, yes, very much. You see, in our district, our day doesn't start without taking Godavari Parulekar and Shamrao Parulekar's name. It is a legacy. This is the third generation of tribals. Her father was Godavari Parulekar's aide. All these are second, third generations of the Adivasi revolt, Warli revolt. So we carry that legacy forward.
Very nice. Can I ask any questions?
Yeah, definitely. Or you ask it, Hindi they understand,
Okay.
everybody understands.
आपका अनुभव ये लॉन्ग मार्च में आपका अनुभव क्या है? जरा एक दो वाक्यों में बोलिए.
हमने जो लॉन्ग मार्च निकाला उसमें महिलाएं ज्यादा थी और वहाँ पे जंगल की जमीन और आने वाले बड़े बड़े प्रकल्प उसके लिए हम गए थे क्योंकि वहाँ पे विस्थापन ज्यादा हो रहा है. तो इसीलिए हमारी मांग है कि वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट रुके जाए और हमारी जगह हमारे पास रहे.
Any आप क्या बोलते हैं?
You ask in English, I'll translate.
Any repression that means दबाव लॉन्ग मार्च में पुलिस और सरकार का दबाव कैसा है? That means repression.
मराठीत बोल, तुम्ही सांगते हिंदी. प्रेशर होतं का पोलिसांचं? दबाव टाकला का? त्रास झाला का?
पालघरला त्यांनी दबाव टाकला पण तरी पण मग आम्ही तिथे बसून राहिलो. नंतर मग आम्ही पुढे आम्हाला त्यांनी आतमध्ये घेतला गेला.
Translate in Hindi,
In
please.
Palghar district, they did not allow us to get inside the collector office. But we were so big in number, 50,000. So they had to then allow us to enter. But they tried their best. Ladies police were there in good numbers.
आपका अनुभव बोलिए लॉन्ग मार्च में.
जो लॉन्ग मार्च हुआ हमारा डहानू ते पालघर, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा तरह से महिला थी और हमारा जो जगह है उस और फॉरेस्ट प्लाट उसके ऊपर हम महिलाएं, बहुत सारी महिलाएं, हमारी जगह मिलना चाहिए ऐसा बोल रहे.
आप वर्ला आदिवासी रिवोल्ट आपको मालूम है ना, उसका परंपरा में ये पालघर लॉन्ग मार्च हो रहा है क्या?
हमारा जो पालघर में हमारा जो आंदोलन था, वो हमारा जमीन जो सरकार ने कायदा किया था 2005 में कि आदिवासी के नाम पे वो जगह होना चाहिए, लेकिन आज तक हुआ नहीं. इसलिए जो हमारा 2005 का कायदा में जो जमीन है वो हमारे आदिवासी के नाम के और महिला और जेंट्स के नाम पे होना मांगता है, इसलिए हमने लॉन्ग मार्च निकाला था.
आपका अनुभव बोलिए.
ठाणे पालघरचा जो लॉन्ग मार्च निघाला तो आमच्या जमिनी हे आम्हाला पुरेसे भेटलेले नव्हते. जे आमच्या ताब्यात होते त्याच्यापेक्षा आम्हाला कमी दिलेले होते. तर आमची मागणी होती की आम्हाला जे आम्ही कसत आहोत ते आम्हाला पूर्ण आमच्या ताब्यात यावेत. ह्याच्यासाठी आम्ही आमचा लॉन्ग मार्च काढलेला होता.
Translate in Hindi, please.
Whatever land they are cultivating, they've got just part of it in their name. So they want full land, whatever they are cultivating in their names. That's why they walked all the way.
2006 जो कायदा झाला त्यात असं म्हटलं होतं काय आम्हाला जी आमच्या नावावर 10 एकर आम्हाला जागा पाहिजे ते आम्हाला पाहिजे. आम्ही ते लॉंग मार्च मध्ये गेलो. आम्ही सगळं असे म्हणजे काय कुणी थकलो नाही. नाचकाम आमच्या आदिवासी संस्कृतीमध्ये नाचकाम जोरदार चालू होतं.
She's saying the same thing. She's saying we walked because we wanted full 10 acres in our name and we did not get tired at all. We walked and then in the night we danced and we did everything. Like that she's saying. They were shying away, so I went there.
She is very telling, but she is shying, but
Yeah,
telling very confident.
That's the thing. They all are like that.
Very confidently she told. But
Marathi.
Marathi, whatever it's subject language it may be. First she will feel very shy.
That's why I went to that side, no?
Okay. That what is Palghar movement? Finally, what you are saying to our audience?
The only thing is unite and struggle. Then only you will get whatever you want. Otherwise, this government is hell bent not to give you anything. More is your strength, more the things you will get.
This BJP and Shinde, they are ready to give.
They are not ready. That's why, we are going and sitting on their heads and we'll get it done.
We are confident.
Yes, we are confident. We are confident to fight. Now let us see.
What is role of Aidwa in this
Good.
long march? Present long march, previous long march.
Yes. They all said women were more than 50% women were there. You must have seen the videos. So women participation is all, it is of course the legacy and all, but EDWA has its units in every village. All these are EDWA leaders in their areas. So they mobilized women and they planned everything, right from vehicles, then food stuff and everything and provisions, all they've collected, then mobilizing only women and managing their food and everything, all they did. And they walked also. And they, as they said, they danced and they enjoyed it. And they know that without fight, they will not get anything. They all were bonded laborers few generations back. So they know how to get it from the government. They are fighters.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And all that salute to the fighters.
Great salute to you. Thank you, comrades.